Hello and welcome to the OpenLM Cloud tour on how to automatically configure your license managers and track licensing data. These actions require the OpenLM Broker to be installed on the license server machine. If you don't have the necessary permissions, ask the system administrator or continue with the manual mode. Click Continue and choose the broker for your machine. I have already downloaded it, so let's move forward and click Next. For the initial broker setup, download the broker authorization file and store it somewhere handy. Then click Next. Let's go now to the license server machine and install the broker, or you might want to upgrade it. Double-click on the installer. Click Install and agree to the terms and conditions. Follow the next instructions. Click Close. We see now the broker initial setup window. I will choose the broker to report in my cloud account and then click Next. Here is where we need the previously downloaded authorization file. Click Import Broker Authorization File button, select it, and click Next. Wait for the broker to detect your license servers. The broker will restart automatically immediately after completion. If the broker failed to detect the license managers automatically, you can try to set it up manually after the auto detection will have ended. Here we are ready to go back to our cloud account. Click Close and restart the broker. Click OK and let's go back. Click Finish. The broker is sending data. We see the pending license servers to approve. Double-click on it to do so. I will choose this one and click Approve. Refresh the page and minimize it. When the status is up to date, click on the quantity to see the state of your licenses in your organizations. Thanks for watching.